and it's time to go. Hi guys, if you're new to this channel, I'm Nandini. I'm currently a freshman at NYU studying journalism and dramatic literature, and this is my journey of traveling to New York. Well, for the second time, but first time for actually attending university. Let's start off with saying a very emotional goodbye to my piggies, Cookie and Jimmy. I really miss them now that I'm recording this voiceover sitting in New York. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see any more videos of me traveling to New York, settling down, room tour, all of that. And this is, well, a lot of nice helper people helping me load a gazillion bags onto the car. Well, now let's travel to the airport in Bombay, which is where I'm currently based, or where I was currently based when I was recording this video. And yeah, the airport's nice, big, fancy, nice. Yeah, you get it. It's a nice airport. I'm just going there so that I can actually get my boarding pass and get on a plane to fly to New York. After checking into the lounge at Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport and then finally boarding the Air India plane, which is a direct flight to Newark in New Jersey, sort of near New York, and having food and having slept most of the flight, I finally landed in Newark Airport. It was really freezing when we landed, and we landed around 6 a.m. so it was even colder than it would be during the day, but it was a nice ride to the hotel where my parents would be staying, and then I would finally go to the dorm to quarantine. When we finally got to New York City, I could barely control my laughter. I was extremely happy despite the cold and despite me being sleep deprived that I was finally going to live in the city of my dreams. Now, what could you actually expect from New York? It was absolutely gorgeous. When we went to the rooftop thingy of the hotel, which the owner kindly let us, it was just look at the view for yourself. Now, if you're like a city person like me, you would probably fall in love with it when you saw it for the first time. After resting for some time, we then decided to explore the city. So we walked around pretty much the whole day. I had to get a lot of stuff for my dorm. And yeah, we did all that, and then, oh god, my dreaded quarantine started. While you guys are here, I uploaded a lot of the pictures on Instagram, so go follow me over there if you want to, be a part of this chapter of my life. And like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!